Hello dear food lovers, you've probably already heard the Piedmont church is back in season. Although it's more of a myth since the company was originally founded there, and the church itself is actually from the Mersbach area. But no matter, today we're making a delicious jam with it. By the way, until the UK left the EU, we would have had to call it confiture. But that's changed now. For this deliciously tasty spread we need gelling sugar, and I'm using the 2:1 ratio for the best results. Frozen sour cherries, a lemon, specifically its juice, and of course these deliciously sweet chocolates. There are alternative products available now, and you could use those too. The only preparation work we need to do is to squeeze the fresh lemon juice. Now, let's use a large pot, preferably a bit taller. Because when you're cooking there might be a few unexpected splashes happening, so it's best to set the temperature low and thaw the fruits very gently. Then we blend them carefully, deciding how smooth you want them to be. Personally, I like keeping some fruit chunks, so I recommend not blending too finely. Now slowly and gradually turn up the heat to medium, carefully add in the gelling sugar bit by bit, and gently pour in the fresh, tangy lemon juice. Stir it all together thoroughly, bring it to a rolling boil on high heat, and make sure to stir regularly. Let it cook for around 2 minutes. Now, let's add the chocolates. How one didn't want to go in, but I'm tough on that, no exceptions. Keep stirring the chocolates in on high heat, they practically melt on their own. Continue cooking everything for a couple more minutes until it's perfectly smooth. You can do the gelling test, but 4 minutes is usually just right. Then we carefully take the pot off the stove, ensuring it's not too hot, need sterile jars, and fill them all the way to the brim. I like using a funnel for this, it's really handy. Place the lid on securely, invert them for a short while before turning them back upright, and then carefully fill all the jam into the jars. After they've cooled down a bit, we can start enjoying them. I truly believe they look quite nice with lovely labels in those pretty jars. Isn't this a lovely gift from the kitchen? You'll see, Christmas comes faster than we think. But there's always an occasion to give them as gifts, but most importantly, you should enjoy them yourself. I wish you lots of fun preparing it and a great appetite. I'll see you all next time. Goodbye everyone.